Hello students, I hope you all are safe. Ajay Singh from Colonel's Brighton Public School will teach you computer of grade 4. So dear student, this is a part 1 video for the chapter 2 managing files and folders. This is very interesting chapter. So let's start the new topic. Lesson 2 Managing Files and Folders. In this chapter, we will learn about features of Windows 10. So, dear students, a computer is a machine that cannot think on its own and requires instructions from us. The most important program of a computer is its operating system. So, it is a medium through which we can interact with the hardware using software. It controls all the activities of a computer. There are various types of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Windows is a graphical user interface GUI pronounced as GUI between a computer and its user. It has been developed by Microsoft, the world's leading software company. Let's have a fact file. Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft, he developed Windows for general purpose computer system in 1985. So let's start. Features of Windows 10. The first GUI version of Windows operating system was 95. Since then, where many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular version of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Windows 10 operating system has become very popular because of its following features. So dear students, this is a new important fact for you. Satya Nadella is an Indo-American business executive, engineer, and the current chief executive officer of Microsoft. He was appointed CEO on February 4, 2014. Let's discuss about features of Windows 10. Attractive and easy to use. Windows 10 has very attractive transparent looks with the blue highlighting features. It has a complete set of new pictures, themes, styles and icons. The use of graphics make it quite interactive. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Improved start menu. The new start menu of Windows 10 gives you quick access to apps and services. In the left pane you can find the Explorer, settings, a list of most used apps, power options, etc. The all apps options at the bottom of the left pane displays all the apps and programs. In the right pane, live tiles are displayed, which consist of various apps. Searching made easier with Cortana. Windows 10 has the refined and powerful search tool called Cortana. It allows you to search for information on the system or on the web directly. It can also be used to play music, videos, set alarms and reminders, send emails, give voice command, etc. Windows 10 supports multiple desktops. Windows 10 has a new a task view button on the taskbar. This button provides the ability to open multiple desktops on the same time. You can create multiple desktops for different tasks so that only one related set of applications are visible in a one desktop. So students, there is no limit to the number of desktops that you can create. Let's talk about one more feature. This feature is window snapping. This feature assists you to work with multiple applications on the screen. You can drag and drop a window to any corner of the screen, thereby making space for other apps to be opened simultaneously. Next, the new browser Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default browser of Windows 10. It allows you to write and highlight directly on web pages. Cortana is an inbuilt feature of Microsoft Edge that helps you to do things faster. Next, Windows Store. Like Play Store, the Windows Store application provides you with all kinds of paid and free apps, games, music, movies, etc. So you can try to use an app before you buy it, and Windows 10 opens these apps in multiple small windows on the desktop. Let's have a new fact file, students, for you. Linux is also very popular operating system software. It is available free of cost. The most popular versions of Linux are Red Hat, Mint, Fedora, and Ubuntu. Okay students, thank you very much to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I hope you all are understand with this topic and subscribe this channel.